Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by redeeming the gift card into Phonepe so you have a usable balance. First, confirm the card code and expiry, then open Phonepe and go straight to Gifts or Gift Cards. Enter the code exactly, tap Redeem, and watch for the balance update. Once done, make sure your Phonepe account is KYC complete and that the bank account or UPI ID you want to use is already added and verified. This avoids delays when you move money out. Next, you convert that wallet balance into a bank transfer. Open My Money or Wallet Balance, choose Withdraw or Transfer to Bank, and pick the linked bank account or add new account details carefully. Enter the exact amount within Phonepe's transfer limits and preview any fee. When you initiate, authorize using your UPI PIN or the OTP flow required. This step confirms identity and releases funds. Once authorized, Phonepe shows a transaction ID and estimated processing time. Keep that for tracking. Finally, confirm completion by checking your bank statement or UPI app for the credited amount. If the transfer shows pending, wait the stated processing window and refresh transaction history. Phonepe provides a transaction ID you can use to trace it. If funds don't arrive, open Phonepe Help, select the transaction, provide screenshots and the ID, and report the issue. This speeds resolution. A key troubleshooting tip: always verify recipient account or UPI ID before sending. Wrong details often cause delays or reversals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.